15 ways to make money in college. Learning some ways to make money in college can make things so much easier for you if you are not from a wealthy family. This video will open up your mind and give you several ideas how to put cash in your pocket while trying to earn a college degree. Depending on the way you decide to make money, you may continue to earn income after graduation and possibly for the rest of your life. There are ways to make money that can put cash in your pocket immediately and ways that yield a higher amount but may take longer to cash in. Compare all alternatives and choose the option best suited for your individuality. In this video, you will learn some simple and easy ways to make money in college. But before I proceed, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to our channel as well as like and share the video to help enhance our presence on YouTube. Here are 15 simple ways to make money in college. Number 1, turn your hobby into a side hustle. Some people are very creative and good with their hands. You can turn your hobby into a side hustle to make extra money. If you are good at sewing or crocheting, you can make clothes for your college friends or make them a hat and scarf or blanket. Some men and women love to cook, and college students are always looking for food. You can make money selling breakfast, lunch, or dinner.
This video is partially sponsored by DelvicsGarden.com, your source for high-quality food supplements and personal care products at low prices. This company has a range of premium products for your health, beauty, and personal care, including organic pine pollen, ceremonial-grade matcha, medicinal herbs, hair dye shampoo, and plant-based protein for weight loss. There are links in the description. Kindly visit their store and use the coupon code FIRST20% to get 20% discount on your first order.
Perhaps you had a father or uncle that taught you how to work on cars, advertise your mechanical skills, and work on your classmates' cars to earn cash. If you simply love to read and write, you can read books and do reports or draft papers for your classmates. Number 2, become a freelance social media manager. Being skilled in social media today can give you unlimited ways to make money while you're in college. There are many people looking for someone to manage their social media accounts on platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Number 3, earn money shopping online. You can make money shopping online. There are merchants and other companies that will pay to use a certain product or service. Some of these require a small out-of-pocket amount, while others will send these items to you for free and pay for your use and/or opinions. Number 4, become an online tutor. There are lots of websites where you can find online tutor jobs. Tutor.com, Schooly, Yup, Tutor Me, OutSchool, and others. As a college student, you can tutor anyone as long as you meet the company's requirements. You can teach English or other languages that you know. You can also tutor any academic subject with which you are comfortable. Number 5, running errands. You can run an ad or post flyers stating you are looking for extra cash and are willing to run errands. People lead very busy lives and either don't have the time or don't want to run errands. You can run the errands for them and set your own price. Some errands are really quick, like dropping off clothes at the dry cleaner, and others involve grocery shopping. You can pick which areas you want or do not want to do. Number 6, rideshare driver. You would have to be living under a rock not to have heard of Uber or Lyft. These are 2 very popular rideshare companies. However, there are a few others. Many rideshare companies offer a sign-on bonus or a bonus based on a certain number of rides. Once you reach that number, you get additional cash. 7, delivery driver. Being a delivery driver can be very lucrative, and many times you will get tips to put money in your pocket regularly. There are many apps that offer delivery jobs and opportunities such as DoorDash and Grubhub. Some restaurants still hire individuals to do their deliveries without going through other companies. Pizza restaurants are always looking for someone to deliver pizzas. Number 8, virtual assistant. Being a virtual assistant can put money in your pocket right away, or you may have to wait for a scheduled payday. Either way, it's a way for college students to make money. Maybe you can offer a service that's related to what you're studying in college. If you are a fast typist, a writer, graphic designer, or customer service rep, you may be able to find a virtual assistant position in your field of expertise. Number 9, babysit. Parents are always looking for college students that are willing to babysit. This could be a one-time gig or a regular job for you. Number 10, house sit. Many people take extended vacations or work out of town for long periods of time, and they do not want their house left empty, so they hire house sitters. This would be a great opportunity to get away from the dorm and have a sense of freedom as well as making money. Number 11, pet sit dog walker. If you are a pet lover, then you would enjoy pet sitting or dog walking. Until a few years ago, pet owners would ask their neighbors or friends to keep an eye on their dog while they were out or gone for an extended period of time. However, now they hire individuals like yourself to pet sit or walk their dog. Number 12, sell your study materials. Selling your study materials can be a way to make money while in college. You can sell your notes, books you are no longer using, or any other study materials you may have purchased or acquired. Some websites you can sell your study materials on include Nexus Notes, Course Hero, Note Sale, Notes Gen, Notes Mate, and Notes Exchange. Number 13, watch videos. Many companies will pay you to watch specific videos and provide feedback. Pay close attention because some offer cash, gift cards, points, or rewards. In most cases, a college student wants to make money. Some of the companies that pay viewers to watch their videos include iRazoo, Earnably, Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, MyPoints, CashKick, SuccessBuzz, Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel. Number 14, apply for scholarships and grants. Applying and receiving scholarships and grants is a way you can make money while you earn your degree in college. Some scholarships and grants specify how the money can be used, but many do not. You simply qualify because you're in college or whatever category they are requesting. Number 15, start a business. Have you ever dreamed of owning your own business? This may be the perfect time while you're in college and more than likely could use some extra pocket money. Perhaps you're interested in real estate. You can learn how to become a wholesaler and you may be able to get started even if you do not have anything to invest. This type of business could prove to be a lucrative way beyond your college years. There are so many things you could choose to start a business. You can offer a product, but you can also offer a service. It's a good idea to make a list of the things you like to do or are interested in and the skills that you already have. This will help you narrow down what type of business you want to start. If you are looking for cash right away, then you want to start a business that can give you an almost immediate return. Young children often open a lemonade stand or wash cars on Saturday. You won't get rich doing either of these things, but you will have some money that day. Thank you for staying with us until the end. Please remember to like and share the video. Also be sure to press the bell icon to receive notifications of new videos.